If you manufacture electronic assemblies, you've probably heard of the IPC and its standards. Stick around because today we're going to discuss the standards you need to know when it comes to cleaning electronics. IPC standards are a set of guidelines and criteria that ensure the quality, reliability, and performance of electronic products. These standards are crucial for every step of the electronics manufacturing process, and adhering to IPC standards help companies reduce defects, improve product consistency, and meet their customers' expectations. They are vital for maintaining a competitive edge and ensuring safety and, most importantly, reliability. IPC standards cover a wide range of topics related to electronics manufacturing, ensuring quality, reliability, and consistency across the industry. For example, it hits topics like soldering and assembly processes, PCB design, testing, and the one we're talking about today, cleaning. Now, cleaning is mentioned in many of the IPC documents, but there are three big ones you need to make sure to read. Those are the IPC-J Standard 001, the IPC-CH-65, and IPC-TM-650. Now, the J Standard 001 document has an entire section dedicated to cleaning. It establishes the need for cleaning and the basic processes for establishing a qualified manufacturing process. It also talks about monitoring processes like giving guidance on sampling plans and making control limits. Now, IPC-CH-65 is a dedicated cleaning handbook, which goes into excruciating detail about everything you have ever wanted to know about how to set up and maintain a cleaning process. For example, designing assemblies for cleaning, materials compatibility, aqueous cleaning, semi-aqueous cleaning, and even rework. Now, IPC-TM-650 are the test methods that are used when cleaning. In these documents, the procedures for carrying out specific tests like IC, ROSE, or SIR are spelled out. If you need to know how to carry out the test for a specific standard, this is a great place to start. In each of these documents, references are made to other documents for either clarification or future explanation. I recommend going down the rabbit hole as far as you can go to get a full understanding of the standards and to understand their relevance in electronics cleaning. All right, if you like that content, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also, click that bell icon to be notified for future episodes. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below or send an email to AskDrAdam@KYZEN.com. Thanks again, and stay clean.